So I'm Olin Schumacher.
Jonathan Namenworth.
Seth Lapidow. I'm the owner of this fabulous farm and one of the owners of Vermont Pure's CBD.
We start the plants, we get them in the ground, a high-yielding, high-producing, quality flower. We hand harvest everything when it's ready and treat them with as much care as we can.
So we have to be transparent about what we do. And to put something on the market that is subpar or cuts corners for the sake of making a dollar doesn't make sense to us.
What keeps us going, aside from just myself, but I think everybody here, is the customer feedback and how much it helps people. I know myself, and I'm sure I know the rest of the team are extremely passionate about it.
I didn't get into this because I thought CBD was really gonna help people, frankly. The most remarkable thing is that it turns out the shit works. And it works on a miraculous number of ailments and maladies and conditions. The thing that first struck me was the repeat business that we were getting, people coming back to buy our stuff because it worked better than other people's stuff.
Where did you get your hemp from? Well, I grew it myself. Go look at our Instagram and you'll see photos of it. Oh, who extracts your stuff? I'm like, well, I extracted it, or Kenny in the lab.
Full spectrum products give you a much broader spectrum of benefits. So we have, starting with the tinctures, a pet tincture now, the dog treats.
Capsules, CBD honey, which is spectacular. We make roll-ons, which are a topical application.
And people find it attractive to have some variety. It does a lot for us being self-sustainable and vertically integrated.
When you buy our product, it's grown here, it's grown using organic methods, and it's carefully made and tested every step of the way. And what it says on the label is what's in the bottle, and the only thing that's in the bottle is what's in the plant.
Our customer feedback is pretty much, kind of what guides our product development, everything we do. We're essentially working for our customers.
And when you sell this stuff face to face and you hear the stories that people tell about how it's changed their lives and how it has made them able to live their lives, is deeply moving.
It's part of a lifestyle and it's part of a healthy choice. So it's not meant to be something that solves your issues. It's meant to be a part of a system of healthy living.